Okay, so hello and welcome. I just want to take a second to say thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. My name is Chris. I am the Vice President and co-founder of Detroit Revenue, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Shopify store. So without further ado, if you are not familiar with or currently using Shopify, you need to get on Shopify. It is the number one most used platform worldwide, undisputedly, very integratable, highly customizable, very easy to use. Plus, if you're interested in doing something like a social media agency, if you come across somebody who's currently not using Shopify, you can put them on Shopify for a fee. So that's already a potential new stream of revenue for you. So normally Shopify will give you a 14-day free trial, but with the link that I have attached to this video, you can get to this page, which will give you an extended 21-day free trial and a 10% discount. So go ahead and put your email in there. Once you do that, it'll take you to a prompt you can skip, and you'll have to put in your contact information, yada yada, and you will get to here, which is your home admin page. Now, when we first started, we didn't know what we wanted to include into our store. We had to look up different apps that we wanted to have, different plugins, different functions, all type of stuff. It was very hectic. But because you're watching this video, you don't have to do any of that, because I'm going to show you one of the number one themes used worldwide that actually comes with all of those different functionalities built in. Introducing Shoptimize, which, as you can see here, the number one unofficial Shopify theme. That is not an exaggeration. They have over 20,000 stores worldwide, and it comes with tons of built-in features: entry and exit pop-ups, cross-selling pop-ups, countdown timers, social proof pop-ups, just everything that you need rolled into one, and it's very affordable. If you were just starting out and this is your first store, I'd recommend that you get the basic package. But if you're an experienced drop shipper and you intend on creating multiple stores, then you can go with the pro package. So here we have a demo site that they've provided for us. And what I want you to notice is that everything on this page is there for a reason. They have badges on their products to legitimize them, 5-star ratings and reviews, sales numbers. If you go down to the bottom, they have testimonials from customers. So really just take into account of things that you might want to add to your own store. Once you've downloaded that, you can come here, go back to your admin page, go to online store, and it'll take you to themes, where you can upload the theme, as I've already done here. So now we're going to do a step-by-step walkthrough on how to customize your Shoptimized theme from start to finish. As you can see, I'm starting off with a blank store. I haven't done anything to it yet. You can go back to your admin page using that button, but normally I like to have 2 tabs open so that way I'm able to switch back and forth as I work. So first things first, go back to the admin page. We're going to go to products and we're going to add our first product. So click the add product button. You're going to put in a title, add your media file, set the price that you want. We're just going to do $50 as an example here. A lot of times I like to turn off the track quantity. So for the variants, we're going to go small, medium, large, extra large, so forth and so on. And there we have it. The first product has been set up. For this example, I'm going to make a couple more. Okay, so now that we've made all our products, we're going to go down to collections and we're going to create some new collections to place these products in. So the first collection that we're going to make is tees for the t-shirts that we had that we just made. Set it to manual so that way you can add the products in that you want. Then we go back to collections, and this time we're going to make one for hoodies. Once again, change it to manual from automated. And we are going to add the hoodie products to this collection in the same fashion. Now we're going to go down to online store and go to navigation. So right there you see the home and catalog menu items, and you can see it's the same thing on the navigation bar right now on the Shoptimized theme. So we go to menu, add menu item. We're going to do tees for one, and then we're going to link the collection that we made to the title that we just created, so that way when you click on that it will take you to a page with those products that we added to the collection. And then we're going to do the same thing for the hoodies. Make sure you save. Now refresh the Shoptimized page and you should be able to see the changes that you just made. Sometimes it takes a little second. There we go. So you can see tees and hoodies up there on the navigation bar now. So from here, you can see the desktop slideshow right there. Now the desktop and mobile slideshows are mutually exclusive. Adjusting the desktop slideshow does not affect the mobile slideshow, so you're going to have to go in and enter those pictures one at a time. So we're going to continue to add our pictures onto our desktop slideshow. You can also link these pictures to a product page or a collection page or whatever you want. Everything on your front home page should be there for a purpose though. So don't have anything right there for your customer to see that doesn't take them to anything specific. So afterwards we move on to the mobile slideshow. And like I said before, you have to do these individually. Doing something to the desktop slideshow will not affect anything on the mobile slideshow. Once our work is saved, you go to the top and you can interchange between desktop view and mobile view just to get an idea of what it looks like on your phone. So there's the mobile slideshow. So we get to our featured collection here. All you have to do is go to the featured collection section, click select collection, and then you can select either the ones that you just made. We're going to go with hoodies, and they appear right at the front of the home page there. So now we're going to embed our videos into our home page. First, you have to click the display video so you can see where the section is at. Then go to YouTube. If you want, you can make a YouTube channel and upload your video so that way it gives you the code rather than having to come up with it some other way. I'm just going to throw a little baby video on here just as an example. You know, he's popping right now. So copy and paste the title, click share, go to embed, copy and paste the code, and paste that into the section underneath. And then you can add a caption if you want. A lot of times I don't, so do another one. Little baby with baby goat. Same thing, copy and paste the title, share, embed, copy, and then paste. And now we have our videos. So it's great if you have a channel that you also want to advertise on your page. Now we're going to go down to our homepage reviews. Now you can add a profile picture into the section if you'd like, or some sort of image just to make it seem more legitimate. We're not going to do that currently just for time's sake, but so in this section you can put actual customer reviews or you can just type a positive review about yourself. I think Detroit Revenue is the greatest company in the world. Save it. We'll just say me too. And let's go there, great. And then we see the bottom where the customizable phone number, you have your social media icons, so those are all links that you can add to your page. So as you can see down in the corner, there's been a social proof pop-up that says someone purchased a whatever particular product, however long ago in whatever place. So what I like to do is come down and first adjust it to 2 to 60 minutes, so that way it seems more legitimate about the times that people are purchasing it. I normally shift the intervals to about 35 seconds and 20 seconds, just so people aren't barraged by the pop-up, something coming up on their screen every 5 seconds. It might slow their browser or their phone down. Then initially, there's going to be randomized cities on it, like Rome or Madrid, Spain, Berlin, Germany. So attached to this video, I have a template with the top 50 to 60 most populated US cities. It's already formatted and you can just copy and paste it right into that section, into the place value section. And our business is also located in Michigan, so there's also several Michigan cities attached to it as well. And now you can see it says Raleigh, North Carolina. So now we're going to go and change our logo. So let's go over to theme settings, go to logo and favicon. We're going to go with the Detroit Revenue logo. And then depending on how your logo is shaped, obviously you can adjust the size underneath to make it as aesthetic as you'd like it to be. This icon is the one that appears on the tab, so you can also change that to your logo if you'd like. Otherwise, it's going to appear as that little shopping cart that they have there. The left column is more for your content. The theme settings column is more for the font and colors of the site, everything like that. So let's go to header, menu background color. You can adjust it. A lot of times if I want a specific color, I'll actually go into Google and look up the color code. So that way I can just copy and paste it into all my different sections. So there's continuity throughout the site. You can drag. And then same thing with the footer. As you can see on the bottom, you have your Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. You can link all those as well. Then if you go to the actual color section here, you can change the coloring of all the buttons throughout the site and some of the small icons and everything. So you can play with that as you want. And now we've just built our Shoptimized homepage. Thanks for watching.